Hi guys, my name is Michael. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can install Composer on Windows 10. So, what is Composer even? Composer is not a package manager in the same sense as Yummy or APTR. Yes, it deals with package or library, but it manages them on a per project basis, installing them in a directory inside your project. By default, it will never install anything globally. So let's get down to it and install it. We're going to just click on this. After clicking on it, like this, it's installing. I'm going to cancel it because I've installed it before. I'm going to go to download. Okay, now we're on download, so let's open up the folder. Click show in folder. So this is it. So click on it. So don't forget, before you install Composer, or maybe after you install it, you need to download PHP file on your system. Okay, so we can either click here or leave it complete. It says take control and just install Composer, and uninstall will not be included. So which means you will not be able to uninstall it, and uninstaller will not be included. Okay, so we're going to click next. So if you have not downloaded PHP on your system, this is going to be blank. It's going to be blank if PHP is not downloaded in your system already. So I just like to download PHP on your system. So let's go next. You say use a proxy server, connect to the internet. Okay, now, so what we're going to do now, we're going to click the box on top, just pick it. Okay, so we have this appearing underneath the second box. I'm going to copy the HTTP proxy into that box and click next. So let's do that now. Okay, so if I type HTTP underscore proxy. So that's next, and install. Okay, so I need to connect to the internet for the installation to be complete. So let's connect to the internet right now. Go ahead. Connected. Let's try it again. Okay, so now I'm connected to the internet. The installation has continued and basically started. So let's fasten this up a little. Okay, so guys, please do read the instruction before you click OK or next when you're installing an application. So take a few minutes to read what is written on top. So I'm just gonna click next now because I've gone through it already. Okay, so click next. Okay, so it says here set up as install Composer on your computer. Usage: open a command window and type Composer. Okay, so we click finish, and that's it. So I'm going to be putting the link of Composer this in my description so you can download it from. Okay, so I want to test this Composer has been properly installed on my system. So I'm going to command prompt and type Composer. So let's look at command prompt and type Composer. Let's see what it says. So after you type in the Composer, a list of commands will come out, and the list of commands also have what they are used for at the side. So the list of commands, the green one, and what they can do is the white one. So you can just go through it and you see all the list of commands that you can use for Composer. Well, that's it. You have installed Composer on Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. I'd like to know what you think about the video, or if you have any issues while installing Composer on your system. Bye. Have a great day.